Okay, so we have a little bit of special framing here in this corner that we're getting out of the way. We've got some lookouts. That's the flat 2x4s that are cut through the tops of the rafters, and we're gonna have to beef up the end truss there. That is this one here. So we just need to add a 2x6 underneath it, and that will take care of that. And let's see, we have the power head here, and fortunately the power mast will still be 18 inches above the roof line, so we don't have to have any special changes made to that. And we just took the boot on the mast up from the old roof and slid it up so that it will go on the new roof, and then we'll just put some polyurethane caulk on the seal, and that will take care of that. So kind of a brain teaser here, what to do, special situation, and we've got it figured out. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. And then over here you see the window that we did the cutout for. So okay, and boy, is that fire, smoke, smog ever packed in. We can't even see across Puget Sound now. Normally you can see the Olympic Mountains, but not today. Okay, so it's about 6 o'clock, and I'm going to pack it up. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, short as it was. Maybe learned something, and we will see you on the next one. Tomorrow we will be finishing the roofing, sheathing. Roofing is going to be delivered on Wednesday, so a lot is happening fast.